What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Anthony, and today we are going to talk about Ethereum and how it is quite literally breaking to a new all-time high as we record this video. So we will take a look at the TA, and I will give you guys price targets both on the up and the downside and give you a lot of information about what the price is doing. Then we're going to go ahead and talk about this Coinbase Ethereum 2.0 staking announcement that came out today. Now, I do have mixed feelings about this. I think it's a smart move for Ethereum, but I think it's kind of a poor rollout by Coinbase, and we will talk about that. But before we get started, I just want to ask you guys to consider joining our community by subscribing in the bottom right portion of your screen if you're someone who's serious about including cryptocurrency in your overall wealth building strategy. So let's dive in. Obviously, today Bitcoin made another all-time high, now trading above $52,000, and congratulations to all Bitcoin investors. You know, when I first started investing in this, $52,000 seemed like a pipe dream. And it was always something we knew was possible, but for a very long time, it was hard just to get above 20K. So to see things flying like this is just really amazing. And Ethereum's following suit. If you look at the 24-hour gains, you can see majority of the top cryptocurrencies are in the green today. Some of the biggest movers, including PancakeSwap and Binance Coin. But let's take a look at Ethereum. If you are someone who's subscribed to the channel, you know we've been watching very close lately for this February breakout. We've been watching that $2,000 price point, and we are getting very close to it right now. So let's take a look at the TA. Here's the ascending triangle that we were looking at the end of January and beginning of February. We did have a nice breakout from that, and according to our measured move up, our price target could have been as high as $2,000. Now, we did not see that over the course of the last 2 weeks from February 1st up until today on the 17th, or now 18th on the candle chart. But I am very encouraged by this upwards move. The only thing I'm concerned with is we're not seeing a ton of volume to couple along with it. But instead of focusing on the past, let's talk about what the chart is doing now. So what you can clearly see here on the 4-hour time frame is a parallel ascending channel, which is one of my favorite patterns to trade because it is very predictable, and these things tend to last a long time in cryptocurrency. So you can see this can really date back all the way to January 2nd. So this has been a month and a half. You can see we have come to the top, to the bottom, top, bottom, really kind of moving up and down within this ascending channel. And by the way, this is also a healthy uptrend. It's not going full on parabolic. You know, I know a lot of you guys probably wanted to see Ethereum go to $2,000 and $3,000 like Valentine's Day. I know BitBoy Crypto is predicting $2,500 on Valentine's Day. Shout out to BitBoy Crypto. I love your channel, right? But we didn't see that, okay? But I'll tell you what we did see. We saw slow, steady growth. And now what we're seeing is Bitcoin's making new all-time highs. The rest of the market is kind of rising along with it, which is a beautiful thing to see. And in past rallies, you know, Bitcoin would move first, and then these altcoins would really be trailing behind it. But it's really fascinating to see this stuff all kind of move together. It just shows the true bullish nature and the power behind this bull market right now. So it's incredible to watch. Next, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about a few price targets. Now, in the short term, I do want to make you aware that we do have some bearish divergence on the 4-hour RSI. And so what I mean by that is we're seeing higher highs, but we're seeing lower highs in the RSI, which is potentially a bearish signal. Am I bearish right now? Not entirely, but I do think it might be possible to fall to the bottom of this channel. But now that we have addressed that, let's talk a little bit about this parallel channel. So where could we go on the upside and the downside? I'll give you the bad news first. So if things were to fall, of course, the first level of almost definite support would be right around here at $1,800, right? That's probably almost definitely going to happen. Now, if we were to fall to the bottom of this parallel ascending channel, all right, let's say that were to happen tomorrow, that would be right around $1,650. That would also coincidentally take us right to the uptrend. And that would be a definite level of support that I would be watching. So I would say 1,800 for sure will happen, right? 1,650 is also a very real possibility at some point in the next day or two. If things turn bearish, which I'm not anticipating, but they could, our next level of significant support would be right here from where we broke to the bottom from where we broke out from the bottom of this channel all the way up to the top. And that would be a significant level of resistance that we saw act as resistance 3 times over here back in January. And that would actually be all the way down at $1,400. I'm not calling for the price to go this low. I'm just saying that that could be a potential possibility if it were to fall. Now, on the upside, where could we be going? So you can see I've got my target alert here set at $19.94. Really, it's $2,000. It's that psychological level. Now that we have broken through this high, which was our previous all-time high at $1,876, now we just have to see if we can get a push, get some extra volume, and get some buyers really step in. You see, this volume is really low. You really want to see this volume spike up on these moves, right? To kind of put an exclamation point, I always say, on the strength of it. But the fact that we're up here is a good thing, and I do think it's possible to push to the top. Now, do I think $2,000 is possible within the next 24 to 40 hours? Yeah, I would say it is. I would say it's just as possible as it is for it to fall down. So I'm not really making any predictions. I'm just telling you guys what could happen. But a serious level to watch is $2,000. And if we can break past there, then this thing could really start to move parabolic. But we want to see it coupled with a little bit more volume here to just give it some more strength. Next, I want to talk to you guys about Coinbase. So Coinbase has opened a waitlist for Ethereum 2.0 staking. I'm going to show you where that is and show you how to get there in a moment as well. But let's talk about this article. So Coinbase customers can now sign up and stake their Ethereum into the Beacon Chain smart contract. And of course, Ethereum has been in the process for some time migrating from proof of work to proof of stake. Now, here's the beautiful thing about this. Typically, Ethereum investors would need 32 Ethereum to run a validator node and stake their Ethereum. But Coinbase will allow their users to stake any amount of Ethereum in their account. So this is the pro. And in the intro, I said there were pros and cons to this. This is definitely a pro because 32 Ethereum at $1,800, let's just say it's $2,000, that's $64,000 just to stake if you're holding investors to that 32 Ethereum minimum just to get involved. So this is a good move on Ethereum's part. I also think it's smart on Coinbase's part. Coinbase users who stake here could earn up to 7.5 APR on their stake ETH, which is a really nice return, guys. Sounds great. But this all depends on the Ethereum network's variable rate of return. Now, look at this in the red. This is what I don't like. In exchange for the service, the Coinbase takes a commission on all rewards received. Per Coinbase's user agreement, this staking commission is 25% of the rewards received. This annoyed me, and I don't know that anyone from Coinbase will watch this video, let alone take my advice, but 25% is too much. You should be taking maybe 5%, maybe 10. Even 10 is a little bit greedy. 25% is just too much, but I applaud them for offering the staking to ETH investors. And here it is. This is the web page that you can sign up to get started if you have Ethereum on Coinbase and you're interested in staking it there. I will put a link to this in the description of this video, as well as an affiliate link to create a Coinbase account. If for some reason you don't have a Coinbase account, if you invest more than $100, we will both get $10 in free Bitcoin. But let me know in the comments section, are you guys going to be staking your Ethereum through Coinbase? Or are you going to be staking it somewhere else? What do you guys think? Also, do me a favor and give this video a quick like before you go if you found value in the content. Congratulations to all the Bitcoin holders. Congratulations to all the Ethereum holders because we are all in profit right now. But as always, I do want to remind you to never invest more than you can afford to lose in cryptocurrency and to enjoy the ride. Thanks, guys.